Hey everyone, I'm Nuri, and in today's video, we're going to be decorating my dining room for fall 2025. This is what my dining room currently looks like, and here are the items that I plan on using in my dining room today. Majority of the decor that I'm going to use in my dining room today are thrifted finds or decor that I have from previous years. Few days ago, I switched out the art prints on my gallery wall. All these prints are from Etsy, except for this one. I couldn't get the art to come out, so I took fabric and hot glued it to some cardboard, and I just covered it onto the frame like this. We're going to start off styling this round table, and this tray right here was a thrift find that I found recently. I shared a couple of videos ago. I got this from Goodwill for $6. I got this picture from Target a couple of years ago, and inside I have some dried hydrangeas, and I just love the look of dried hydrangeas for fall time. And these salad plates are from Kohl's. I just love the mustard color. I have a set of 3, and I'm just going to put it right next to the picture. And on top of the salad plates, I'm just using a tea towel. I'm just going to fold it in third and then again in thirds just to make like this rectangle shape. And I'm just going to drape it over the plates just to add some texture and different color to this area. This brown bowl was a thrift find from last year, and I'm going to put it on top of the tea towel, and inside of it I'm just going to put these mini pumpkins. These are from Joann. I've had them for about 5 years. I wished I could link something similar for you, but I haven't seen anything like this at the store recently. You could also use acorns or pine cones or even cinnamon sticks as bowl fillers. In my fall decor haul, I shared this beautiful acorn wooden candle, but I did end up returning that one, and I found this beautiful amber color one at Michael's recently, and I just love the glass jar, and I like this one scent too. Next, we're going to style my sideboard in my dining room. This vase right here is very heavy, so I already placed it here. And then this lamp was a thrift find. I just love the pop of brown, and I love the mood lighting it gives during the evening time. These dark burgundy eucalyptus stems are from Joann. I got these from last year, and I'll try to link something similar for you guys because Joann's no longer exists. But I just love this combo with these stems and this vase, and I did the same look last year when I decorated for fall, but I had this look on my entryway table. This wicker basket is from Home Goods. I have seen something similar like this. I got this for $15. I bought this 3 years ago, but I would definitely check out Home Goods if you are looking for something like this. Inside of it, I'm going to put some coasters inside of it. That way it's not on the dining table, and when I need it, I can just pull it out from here. Next to the lamp, I wanted a little height, so I'm using these thrifted books. I love the color with the brown and burgundy. I think it matches my stems right there. And on top of the books, I'm putting this line head soup terrain. I recently thrifted that from Goodwill, and I'm using this soup terrain because I feel it makes such a statement to this area. My dining room is mainly brown, and I wanted some type of pattern and texture into this room. So I'm using this blanket right here for that block print look, and I'm just going to put it over this chair. I'm just going to make it drape, and on top of this blanket, I'm just going to put this circle throw pillow. Next to my mirror, I have a small stool, and I normally like to put a plant on top of the stool, but for fall time, I'm just going to pop this pumpkin, and I'm using another one of these pumpkins in my living room, and I put that one on top of baskets. Next, we're going to add some fall touches to my hutch. I like to call this my thrifted find corner. I just love to fill it up with orange stone. And today we're going to use some turkey pieces to fill those empty spots in my hutch. For a little pop of color, I'm going to put these stems inside of a pitcher. It has a burgundy stem that's similar to the one that I have on my sideboard. In the beginning of this year, I thrifted this turkey-shaped gravy boat from Goodwill, and I've been saving it to style it all year long. I haven't really had any luck finding fall decor recently, so I'm happy I found this in the beginning of the year. I have two of these turkey taper candle holders, but I'm just going to use it as a decorative piece on my hutch, and I'm just going to put it on the top shelf. I wanted this turkey dish, I believe it's like a casserole dish, to be the star of my hutch, and I'm going to put it right in the center shelf. And I thrifted this one last year from Goodwill. And the last thing I'm going to add to my hutch are these cream color, almost like a light mustard color pumpkins, just to fill in the empty spots. I was planning on using these taper candle holders on my dining table, but I noticed they're kind of tall, so I'm just going to place them back here where my dried hydrangeas are. I recently thrifted this turkey tea light candle holder, and I was planning on using it in my dining room. Like, I was thinking maybe I could use it in my hutch, but I decided to do an all white look for my hutch this year, so I think I'll save this piece for my kitchen. Also, I bought this tablecloth from HomeGoods last year. We used it for our Thanksgiving dinner last year. I just love the mustard color. So I would love your opinion on if I should put it on the dining table and keep it out all fall long, or save it just for Thanksgiving time. I wanted to create a floral centerpiece for my dining table, something I could keep out all fall and use it also for my Thanksgiving dinner. So I created this like during nighttime, so I didn't get to record it, but I just put the stems inside a soup tureen, and then I filled it up with paper, and to cover up the paper part I just put some picks inside that was similar color, that way you can't see the paper. And here's what the dining room looks like with the tablecloth. I feel like the tablecloth kind of matches the rug a little bit. So for now, I'm just going to remove the tablecloth and keep it bare and just have the floral arrangement on the table. Alright, let me give you guys a final look of what the dining room looks like all decorated for fall. I would love it if you could like today's video. It would support my channel a lot. And if you are new, I would love if you could subscribe so you could see more videos from me where I share with you guys how to decorate by incorporating old and new decor in your home. If you like vintage modern decor, you'll love my channel. I love incorporating thrifted decor with few new pieces here and there. This year for fall, I wanted more of a country cottage style mixed with like a modern touch, and I can't wait to share with you guys my fall home tour very soon. Also, I would love for you to follow me on Instagram. I share similar content but with a little bit of humor, and I share a lot of behind the scenes. So if you're into stuff like that, definitely follow me on Instagram. Alright everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. I'll see you guys soon for another one. Bye for now.